Hello everyone, my name is Justin, and today I'm going to give you a tour of the online browser. This is one of the things we're most proud of, and I can't wait to show you all about it. One of the benefits of the online browser is that you can access these files from anywhere. And not only can you access them, you can view them in some really cool ways. For example, with photos, you can view them in a slideshow, and I'll show you that in this tutorial towards the end. And you can listen to music, and you can view all of your folders as well. It's really a pretty cool thing. Okay, I'm going to start out with a general overview to get us all on the same page. So there are some main sections to the online browser that you should know about. The top section we call the title bar. This has a couple of special buttons that we'll go over later. The section on the left is called the navigation pane. This is where you will see your folders. The main area where you will see individual files of the selected folder is called the file pane. And this long section at the bottom is called the media pane. The media pane helps you interact with your photos, music, and videos. In the navigation pane, we have two different sections, the shortcuts area and the folder tree. The shortcuts area has links to pre-installed folders that came with Typhoon Cloud. And the folder tree functions a lot like you would expect a folder tree to function. Any folders that you've added to your cloud will show up here. The contents of this should exactly reflect what you have on your virtual drive. The file pane lists the contents of the currently selected folder. You can always see what folder you're in up here in the breadcrumbs area. This is just another way to view where you're at. And we have given you a couple different ways you can view your files, and those options are right here in the View Type buttons. You have a Details View button that shows some key details about a file, a Thumbnail View button for viewing thumbnails of files, and a Music View button, which will give you the track title, artist, album, and genre information for your songs. The last icon in the View Type buttons is an Auto Detect View button. If you select this button, we'll take a look at your files and give you the view option that coincides with the majority of the files in that folder. So if I turn it on and go from my photos to my music, you'll see how it automatically gives me the most relevant information. To the right of the View Type buttons, you have a Logout button, in case you walk away from your computer or if you're in a public place, for example, and you want to log out temporarily. And to the right of the Logout button, we have a Themes button. This is kind of cool because it will give you a few different design options and color schemes for your theme. So I can choose, for example, this theme, or this theme here, or this theme here, or this theme. Whatever color scheme you select will be saved, so you can view the files in the same way next time. Now let's take a look at the media pane. Here on the bottom we have the media player, complete with a shuffle button and a volume control, which can be used to play songs, videos, or navigate through a slideshow. And above the media player we have the tile list, which will show you a sequential view of all the files in this folder that the media player can access. To use the media player, all you have to do is click on a file and all options are available to you, such as next, previous, volume, and so on. Okay, so now that you've seen an overview of the online browser, I want to show you my favorite feature, the slideshow button. One of my favorite things to use Typhoon Cloud for is to browse my travel pictures. Every once in a while I get nostalgic and I just want to sit back and watch some of my favorite memories. To do that, all I have to do is select a folder and click the slideshow button on the top. Typhoon Cloud will then open a window that will start going through your photos or videos automatically, and you can just sit back and enjoy the memories. You can even go full screen with this if you'd like. Well, that'll do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the online browser as much as I do. Remember, it's a completely secure way to view your files. For more tutorial videos, go to typhooncloud.com/videos.